All right, so where we left off was this part, and we're just going to go ahead and jump into the learning how to write the results and discussion part of paper three. So I'm going to start off by using the handout that I've created, which is titled Week 12, Day 2, W12 D2, Writing Paper 3 Part 2 .docx. So you can also find this in the Living Reader, and I'll have some paper copies to pass out in class. So first of all, what I want to do is I want to think about what we already know about this process and kind of point out the handouts that you can refer to for more information and see that you already have some of this information. So first, let's go ahead and look at the prompt and see what we can learn about writing the results in the discussion section. And this is also going to be kind of tied to what we did on Tuesday, where before we started the analysis, I was saying, okay, let's think about what we know about this stuff. So you can see I've got a screenshot of the notes that I made on Tuesday. So, or not a screenshot, but just a view of the Word document where I recorded answers on Tuesday. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and we're going to look at the prompt and see what we can learn about actually writing the results in the discussion section. That's going to be really important. And one of those first things that's going to be important is just looking at the page count. So I'm here on the second page and I'm taking down the information about how many pages are going to be in each section. So the results section is going to be 3 pages, the the results section is going to be 2 pages. The discussion section is going to be 3 pages. So let's go ahead and I'm putting that in the table. So we have that there for reference. Let's go ahead and see what else we can figure out. So if you want, take a moment and read through the prompt. If you need to, pause it and then we'll go ahead and see what we've learned from the prompt. All right, so you can really find, there's not too much information about how to do the discussion in the prompt, but there is some good information about how to write the results, which is the same information that we pulled out from the prompt and used in class on Tuesday. So and the important information is going to be that the results section should contain 2 to 3 graphs, charts, or tables, at least 1 graph, along with a paragraph describing the data represented in each. So that's 1 paragraph for each graph. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that, and then we're going to go over to our table in this document, and I'm going to copy it so that's there. We don't really learn much about the discussion, but so that's why we're doing this process. We're getting a chance to kind of learn from, we're getting a chance to see what are the steps that we need to take. So the next thing we're going to learn from is the IMRD outline, which you can find information. This is the IMRD outline. So this handout was given out a few weeks ago in class when we first introduced IMRD, so you could kind of see how they're differentiated. We did a task last week where you had a chance to kind of go through each part and figure out, you had all the different parts kind of scrambled up and sort of assigned which one was which.